Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. In a few days, our daughter will be turning 1, and I'm looking back at the year and all the great memories that we have so far with only 1 year under our belt. I wouldn't change fatherhood really for anything. So I guess as I reflect back, and my message for the day is really the life change that has happened over the last year for us, for our team, in so many different ways. So for all those that have already expressed happy birthday wishes to our daughter, thank you so much. We're continue to enjoy her, and just we're so grateful that she's in our life. So with that being said, let's kind of get started here. We want to first congratulate some homeowners that are going to be homeowners in a few days. So we actually don't want to share their names just yet because I know they're excited and they don't want to jinx it. So you'll actually know next week. We do want to congratulate Alfredo. He got his keys, when was it? 2 days ago. And so congratulations. He's going to be doing a little bit of work to the home to make it his own. He got an incredible neighborhood. Home needs a little bit TLC, but he's excited for that. We also want to let you know we have a home buyer workshop on Saturday. If you're interested, it'll be obviously the last one for the month. We love the opportunity to have you and educate you. Maybe if it's not you, someone that you might know. And then finally, we have a handful of properties that are coming on the market. One that's actually really unique, and it's not going to appeal to everyone, but for those it might actually be the perfect fit. And it's a piece of land in the Whittier Hills. It's hillside, so it's vacant land, and they have the sellers have approved plans, so someone can start building really tomorrow in essence. The process was about 3 years to get these plans approved. So if you know of anyone that's looking to really build their dream home, this is a great opportunity. We also have a home coming up in Whittier. It's a 3-bedroom, one in Bell, that hopefully in a few more weeks it should be available, and one in Spyglass, and one in East Whittier, a 3-bedroom. And I'm sure I'm forgetting one more. So if you're interested in purchasing, we do have a few properties that are coming up. And if you're thinking about selling, incredible time, hands down, probably the best time to be a seller ever in my career, and as far back as even before that. So great opportunity. So if you're interested to have those conversations and what that might look like, please let us know. All the best. Again, thank you all for the birthday wishes for our daughter, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye, guys.